Hi there, Austin Sedicum. If you're looking for a really funny prank, especially with all this swine flu paranoia going on, I got a great one for you. You go over to the sink and you get some nice warm water going. Get your hand nice and drippy wet with the warm water. Then you go up to someone who's unsuspecting that you're there and you go, chew. And you flick the water at the exact same time as you're going chew. And the warm water will spray down on them, and they'll think you just sneezed on them and be grossed out. Here, let's go see if it works. Achoo!
That's disgusting! Cover your mouth! God.
It was fake!
That was really gross.
See? That's right! Achoo!
Oh, God, that's gross.
It's fake! I didn't actually sneeze on you.
Tell me that first.
Because then it wouldn't be funny.
With all this swine flu and everything going around.
See? Everyone's paranoid. That's right. Achoo!
Oh! Dr. Sedicum.
Does that feel like you got sneezed on?
Yes?
Achoo!
Are you serious? You sneezed on me?
Why? I think I got the swine flu.
Oh, great. Just what I need.
I'm just kidding. It was fake.
Nuh-uh.
Yep. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Did it feel like a sneeze?
Yes, it did.
Are you swine flu paranoid?
Yes, now I have to go take a shower.